Yeah, no, I'm sturdy like a Millie Rocket. Skin clear, still look young, Andy Miller nuggets. Money in my pocket, don't call me a money pocket. Engine get to rocket, it sound like a thunder rocket. Yeah, I still love my baby even when it's toxic. Crazy like she Britney, but no, she don't shade the knock. No, Russell Wilson, way I get low and stay in the pocket.
Oh my gosh. What's up, you little dirty rats? Today is arguably the best day of the year. Why? It's Father's Day. I get to sleep in, and I get to ride my dirt bike when I want to. If you don't do what I do on Father's Day, you're gonna come with me. Woo! And who would have thought I'm the only one here today? The sand pit, man. Dude, I'm so pumped for this. All right, let's go. Oh yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh. Whoa. Ball number one. Okay, up we go. And go. Oh my gosh. I knew it. The compression dials weren't the same. Whoa. Oh. I don't even know if I have enough power to make that jump over there. Oh no. I'm gonna give that jump one more try, and then maybe we'll check out what's down there. Oh, almost. All right, I'll come back to it later. Ooh. Oh, he's here. What the hell was that? Is that a rock? I wonder what traction control would do for that. Whoa. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Doesn't work. Oh. Holy. This is some big bike sand, man. Yow. Oh. 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 Okay, well. Oh. Crash number 2. That's not too bad. I can see why people ride big bikes in sand. Whoa. Oh. Ow. Oh. I came back to get my camera and grab some water, but I noticed on the way back, my forks are like completely like screwed up. I'll show you. But no, dude, look at these forks. So this is what my handlebars normal feels like to me. But look where the wheel's pointing. It's pointing like that way. But if I straighten my wheel out, my handlebars are like super the wrong way. All right, I think I kind of got it straightened out a little bit. I don't know. Still not great. Back to the track we go. Got a little camera setup now, so now we gotta look extra cool. All right, let's try and get some slow-mo shots of something. A baby deer. No way. Oh. Oh, what? Whoa. Yo, where's your mom? Alright, she'll be back for you. I'll go somewhere else. Alright, let's not go over by the little baby deer, but let's try and hit that jump, see if I can make it the whole way across. Oh my gosh. Woo! Dude, that was actually a good ride, man. I realized that the suspension that I've got right now on my bike is just not good for the sand. Like, the power's not quite there. The bumps are way too big for the bike that it is. I don't really do a lot of sand riding, just kind of every once in a while. For me, does it do the job when I want to come out here? Yeah. It's not like I can't go out there and have fun. I definitely prefer the way this bike is out on some single track trails, some enduro trails, more tight, more technical stuff. Cantaloupe. Oh. I hope you guys have a good Father's Day. Hope you guys come back for some more videos if you like this kind of video. A little bit of the nice camera, a little bit of the POV, mix it up, some nice shots of me riding with the nice camera. Let me know. I'm just kind of trying to find my style and figure out what kind of videos I like to make, but also what kind of videos you guys like to watch. So let me know, comment, follow, subscribe, whatever it is you're doing, whatever it is you're watching. And yeah, have a good start to your week. Bye.